Now let's learn about pulley. This is pulley. See, it looks like a wheel with grooved rim. It can move freely on its axis. A wheel that can move freely on its axis with a grooved rim is called pulley. Its mechanical advantage is always equal to 1. Consider a person is lifting water from a well. Observe a small fixed wheel through which row passes. This small wheel is known as pulley. Through pulley, lifting loads from below levels can be done easily. A machine consisting of a wheel, over which a pulled rope or chain runs for lifting a load, is a pulley. Let's understand about wheel and axle. This circular shape is wheel, and the wheel connected to fixed rod at its center. Wheel with a fixed rod, called an axle. See, this is the bicycle wheel, connected to fixed rod at its center. When one part turns, the other also does. Here I apply the force to the wheel. Observe what happens. More force gives less distance and speed. Now apply the force to axle. Observe what happens. Less force gives more distance and speed. Observe your bicycle. Force is applied to axle, not for wheel. Let's understand about inclined plane. An inclined plane is simply a sloping surface. It is used to make it easier to move a weight from a lower to a higher spot. Let us take an example. This is weight 100 kilograms. When you want to keep this on top, need to apply high effort to lift in this direction. If you push this weight on the slope, you can bring this weight onto top with less effort. Staircase is also another example. If stairs built like this need to put lot of effort to climb. That is the reason staircases are built like inclined plane. Let's understand about screw. The common form of screw consists of a cylindrical shaft with threads around the outside. And screws are used to hold things together. Screw converts rotational motion into linear motion. Bottle cap is also another example for screw. Let's understand about wedge. If two inclined planes are put together to form a sharp edge, it is called a wedge. It works on the principle of inclined planes. A wedge is used to tear apart or cut through objects. Knives, needles, axes, chisel are examples of wedge. Till now we learned about these 6 types of simple machines. There are a number of tools that we use in our daily life. Tools like hammer, tin cutter, divider, hacksaw, vise, multi-purpose tools. Let's learn about hammer. This is a hammer. A hammer is made of a heavy metal head. and it is fixed to a wooden handle. There are different types of hammers are there for different uses. Hammers mainly used for fixing and pulling nails, and for breaking stones. Let's learn about tin cutter. This is a tin cutter. A tin cutter is made of crossed long handles and short blades, and a spring joins both handles. Tin cutter is mainly used for cutting metal sheets. Depending on the size of the blade, tin cutters can cut metal sheets of various thickness. Let's learn about divider. This is divider. A divider is made up of a pair of iron strips of equal length and are fixed at one end. There are pointed pieces of steel at the open end of iron strips. Length between pointers can be adjusted by rotating this screw. Divider is used to measure length and to indicate that same length many times. Also used for drawing circles, arc, and semicircles. Let's learn about hacksaw. This is a hacksaw. It consists of a metallic frame with a handle. A blade is fixed to this frame using a pin and a screw. Hacksaw is used to cut wood logs. Also used to cut soft metals and plastic, PCV, pipes and other soft materials. Let's learn about vise. This is vise. It consists of two jaws. This is fixed jaw, and this is movable jaw. This jaw is fixed, and by rotating the screw, other jaw be moved towards or away from fixed jaw. Between jaws, pipe is placed and tightened the jaws through screw. Now the pipe is holded still and can be cutted easily. Vise is a useful tool to hold still objects that need to be cutted. Let's learn about multi-purpose tools. There are some tools which can be used for doing many works. This type of tool are known as multi-purpose tools, which consists of several tools in one small portable unit. Through this we can fix a screw, cut a metal, sharp a surface, and many more works.